Have you heard about the recent major women's health study? It's one that might just change the way we approach menopause management. This study, a significant one in the realm of women's health, supports the use of hormone replacement therapy for easing symptoms during this phase in a woman's life. The study began with a focus on women younger than 60 who were experiencing the onset of menopause. The idea was to explore the potential benefits of hormone replacement therapy for these women. As the researchers delved into the investigation, they discovered some intriguing findings. The therapy, it seemed, could alleviate menopausal symptoms without significantly increasing the risk of breast cancer. This was a major breakthrough, as previous studies had suggested a possible link between hormone replacement therapy and an increased risk of this disease. However, the study didn't just stop there. The researchers also looked into whether the therapy could reduce the future risk of health problems, such as heart disease, stroke, dementia, or other chronic diseases. Here, the results were less encouraging. The therapy did not appear to offer any significant protection against these health issues. Despite this, the findings still represent a significant step forward in our understanding of women's health. The fact that hormone replacement therapy can be used to ease the symptoms of early menopause without significantly increasing the risk of breast cancer is a major revelation. Yet, it's important to remember that these findings aren't a one-size-fits-all solution. Every woman is unique, and so is her journey through menopause. Therefore, it's crucial that all women discuss these findings and their personal health circumstances with their healthcare providers. This study serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of ongoing research into women's health. It highlights the need for individualized discussions between women and their doctors regarding the risks and benefits of hormone replacement therapy based on age and health status. In conclusion, the study has provided some much-needed clarity in the often confusing world of hormone replacement therapy. It has confirmed that the therapy can be a beneficial tool for managing symptoms of early menopause in women under 60, without significantly raising the risk of breast cancer. Yet, it's also emphasized the importance of personalizing this approach, taking into account each woman's unique health needs and circumstances. So while the study may not have answered all our questions, it certainly paved the way for more informed and individualized decisions about women's health. And that, in itself, is a major step forward.